So, how do we go about doing this? Let me give you a brief overview of what this process entails. Okay, so I use the WooCommerce as my e-commerce store, and so I have a posting already. I have one posting for all the products that I sell, and it's at the textbook level. So what I do is, I already have a post. I create a product posting for each product that I sell on a posting. It can be up to 2 products. Like I mentioned before, I have the test bank, which is what I call product A, and then I have solutions manual, which I call product B. So if a posting has for sale the test bank and solutions manual, I would have to create 2 product posting. One would be an A and product B. But 80% of the time it's just a product. It's just a test bank. But the other 20% of the time, I have the test bank and solutions manual for sale. So I would have to do 2 product postings so that I can get the product IDs and include it in my code. So let me just give you an overview of what I do. So for example here, let's go to this one here. You can see that this is the posting that I want to update. Okay, I have for sale on this one just the test bank, which is product A. Okay, the solution is not available, so I'm only going to do 1 product posting, and it costs $100 for this product. Okay, so what I then do is I go to my WordPress content management system, and I go to I click on add products. Okay, products, and it'll take you to this screen, and it'll show you all the product listings that I have already included in here. But since we don't have that particular one already, I'm going to need to add it. So there are things that I do, and there's tools that I use to make my job a lot easier. I use Excel templates to copy and paste the code. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the tools I use to make my job easy. So look here. Okay, so this here is the master list. The master list is a listing of everything that I sell. Okay, and I use this as my reference when I do these product postings. It contains important information about resources that I sell, such as title, author, price, and etc. Okay, this information here feeds my Excel templates. Okay, so you see it here. Okay, TB product posting. Okay, so let's say once I've identified which posting I want to do. So for example, in this situation, I think we are doing this one here. Give me 1 second. Let's see, which one is it? We're doing 11768, which correlates to this posting right here. So I'm going to go back to find 11768. 11768 is right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, okay, all the way to right here. Control copy, and I go back to this posting, and I look that I only have the test bank available for sale. So I'm only going to do the product posting for this resource right here, which is product A. Okay, so and this is where I would copy and paste this right here. So this is just for TB product posting, which is product A. I go here, I do Alt ES, and I paste the values only. Okay, now, and that's gonna populate. From there, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna go over here, and I'm going to do a paste special values, and I'm only going to paste the values. Okay, got it. Okay, now I have, so once I do that, this in here is basically the HTML that I'm going to copy into my product posting to get the product ID. Okay, so I click here. Okay, you have to push F. So let's say I'll do this again. You come in here, you push F2. Okay, and you have to push F2. You just can't Control C it. Okay, you push F2 and you Control Shift Home, or try it. Control Shift Home. Hold on. Let me do this again. You go here. Control Shift Home. And we just copy it, all of this. Okay. Copy this. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my product listing, and I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna click on duplicate. Okay, so I'm clicking duplicate. So this is running in the background. Okay. Just give it a little time. Sorry, just take a little while. And once I have that open, I click here. I do a Control All. I copy everything. I delete this. Okay. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to do visual. And you can see that here's my product posting, okay? From here, it's imperative that you take this right here, which is the unique ID. And since this is product A, remember this is the test bank only, I'm going to copy into here. And I'm going to call this product posting A. Copy this. And then next, what I want to do is to take this part right here, copy this. I'm going to copy this down here. I'm going to delete this. Okay. What I do next is I go back up here. I take this right here. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to replace this right here. This is basically the my encoded link for the download product. So, you know, what you're going to do is you're just going to replace the old UID, and I'm going to replace it with this one, which is 11768A. Okay? There. Okay. And then other things that I want to do is I just want to make sure that the price is correct, and I can get the price of this off of my master list. I'm sorry, 1 second here. Okay. Okay. Okay, here's 11768A, and you see that the price is $100. Okay, this column right here is for product A, or the test bank. This column is for product B, or the solutions manual, and you just ignore this part right here. Okay, so I got $100. I'm gonna go back, and I'll put $100 right here. Okay, just lastly, I just want to make sure everything looks good, tidy. One thing that I checked is to make sure that the this ISB number here is numbers only. There should be 13 numbers. There should be no hyphens. It should look pretty much like the old posting, except I'm sorry. I just want to make sure that there's no hyphens in this ISBN number. Another thing I check is this sample right here. When you hover it, you need to make sure that this thing says 11768A sample, and then whatever it is. So I know that this sample that I have loaded in this link, which is what resulted from when you copy and paste everything in here, this should already be included. So you need to make sure that this ties to this unique ID number right here. So everything looks good. Now, when you go back, now when we're back in the product listings, you see that this 11768A has been added. Okay, and the key thing to take from this is this ID number that gets copied, that gets produced from creating this posting, and this ID is what's going to allow me to do an add to cart function. So I'm right click on this, I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go here to my template, and pretend that's not there. I'm going to go to my master list right here. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to copy it right here. Okay, as you can see, it's already in there. Okay, and then from there, I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy this here. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my final posting tab, which is the end result of all this work. You go here, you're going to paste this. Okay, and then from here, you're going to copy this formula over here, and you do a Alt ES, and you paste values. Okay, you can do an F2. Okay, Control Shift Home. It's going to copy everything in there. Remember, you can't do Control C. Okay, you copy that, and then you're gonna find the posting for this. Okay, and since I already have this up, I'm gonna go to text. This is the posting, the final posting. Okay, and you can find that by, I can go in here, I can click 11768A, and I can just search for that. But since I already have this up, I'm just gonna open this posting. I'm gonna delete everything that's already in there, post this, and then I'm click on visual. Okay, now this part is, at this point you're pretty much done. All you have to do is here is just check to make sure everything looks good. Information came out good. The ISBN doesn't have any hyphens. You want to check the sample to see if that matches 11768A. You can see that it matches my unique ID right there. We don't have any solution manuals for this, so we're going to delete that. We don't have anything for this add to cart for the solutions manual, so you're going to delete that. Okay, and then from here you just click on update.